Hey everyone, Allie here. Welcome back to my channel, Summer Soap Company. I hope you all have had a fantastic week. Today is March 1st and we are starting to think about spring, even though it's snowing here in Maine. Again, I'm over it. I'm using a fragrance today from Midwest Fragrance Company and it is called Bamboo and Teakwood and it smells awesome. I really like it. I feel like I've smelled this before in my childhood, but I cannot place where I've smelled it before. So if you happen to purchase a bar, give it a good sniff test and let me know if it reminds you of anything. Okay, everyone, it's time for the good stuff. Let's make some soap. We're gonna go ahead and start off by checking the temperatures of our oil mixture and our lye water mixture, and we are good to go. I'm gonna add some kaolin clay and get that mixed into our oils before adding our lye water. I'm gonna use a strainer today when I'm adding my lye water, just to make sure that we remove any lye lint or sediment that's left behind in the mixture. We're using 3 colors today, so I'm gonna go ahead and split off this batter into 3. Gonna do a turquoise color, a green color, and then this peachy pink color that I made as a custom blend for this soap. The fragrance I'm using today is from Midwest Fragrance Company. It has top notes of bamboo and sea salt, middle notes of florals and orchid, base notes of musk and teakwood. It smells awesome. So we are ready to start pouring our batter into our soap mold. For this design today, I didn't really have much of a plan just because I've never used this fragrance before, so I wasn't quite sure how it was gonna behave. But as you can see, the batter stayed super fluid, so I was really happy with that. I decided to come in and use the hanger tool after I got all of this batter poured in to do some swirls. And for the top, I'm just going to scrape out the rest of the batter from my containers and place it on the top and then do a design. We'll give this a couple taps on the table to release any air bubbles and then start designing the top. And again, I didn't really have a specific design in mind for the top either, so I'm just kind of playing around here and seeing what feels right. And here is our finished soap. We are gonna put this away for 24 hours and then come back for the cut tomorrow. We are back. It has been 24 hours later, and I decided for the top I wanted to add a little shimmer. So I just painted on some mica that I got from Mad Micas. It's called Blue Moon, and it just gives this really pretty like blue sheen to it. I actually think this looks really cool. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. So let's unmold this and start cutting our bars. And here is our first cut. What do you think of this bar? It looks so good. I love the colors. It's so vibrant and pretty, perfect for spring. Thanks for hanging out with me today. I hope you all enjoyed watching. If you did, please go ahead and hit those like and subscribe buttons. See you in the next video.